Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful 2018 Grand Design Imagine 2500 RL travel trailer with the Super Slide. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Exterior length is 29 feet 9 inches. Exterior height to the air conditioners is 10 feet 11 inches, and the camper weighs right around 5,900 pounds. Kind of give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This is a one-owner camper. The only reason why the owners are selling it is because they've only used it once in the past 9 months since they've owned it. So they called me, and I definitely would say this is a beautiful camper. 1 through 10, 10 being the best as far as condition. It's definitely a 10. It's a little dirty on the outside. I'll show you that on when I get outside and do the walk around. Go ahead and get started on this slide out here. It's going to be about 10 foot long and about 3 foot deep. Accommodates the U-shaped boot dinette with ultra leather finish. Breaks down into a bed. You can definitely sleep 2 grown adults. I'm not sure if they might be calling it a nice size double when it breaks down. Show off that ultra leather finish. Nice stitching on the finish. Excellent condition. Nice storage up underneath each booth. Give you a view of the table. It just collapses down pretty easy to make out into a bed. You do have night shades all throughout. Also in the slide out is your 6 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator, gas electric, with stainless steel finish on the front. Definitely nice. Good thing is it doesn't leave fingerprints. Nice feature. And you do have looks like a little kibble drawer up underneath the fridge. Close that. Okay. In the rear here, there's going to be 2 theater seating recliners by Thomas Payne, ultra leather. Nice cup holders. You have little lights here. See if I can. It does have heat also, and massaging. Show off those lights. Let's turn the other one on. There we go. Pretty neat. They fully recline, and again, excellent condition. Nice cabinets on each side of the theater seating, and you do have 110 outlet down there. And cabinets up top. Not sure what color they're calling this. It's like a dark maple. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. With like a satin nickel finish hardware on all the cabinet. Do want to point out before I forget, neat little cubby area there for shoes and odds and ends when you're coming in. Pretty neat. Okay, and this is going to be your entertainment center here. That might be a 47-inch flat screen. And stereo, it does all the good stuff. Hooks up to smart devices, USB, and DVD, and storage up underneath. And next to the entertainment center is your kitchen, full kitchen, stainless steel finish on the appliances. Nice oven, never been used. 3-burner gas cooktop, never been used. And microwave with stainless steel finish. Never been used once. I do want to point out that the owners, when they picked up the camper, there was something wrong with the etched glass door. That's been purchased under warranty, and it's underneath the bed. They still have to get the hardware for the hinges from the dealer, so that's a non-issue. It's basically a door just like this. That goes right there. Nice sink. This is called the Farmer's Sink, which is a great idea that Grand Design does. Nice big basin sink. Beautiful pull-out sprayer faucet. Satin nickel finish. 110 outlets on each side. Lots of counter space. It's going to be like it's like a wrap countertop. Kind of looks like a solid surface, like a marble or a Corian. Definitely a nice feature for storage. And your vinyl flooring is going to be kind of a kind of a tile look. See if I can show that off. It's all residential grade, stain resistant. Your high traffic areas are easy to clean. Walk through the beautiful open bath floor plan. Definitely one of the nicer open baths I've seen. Nice walk-in shower with skylight, and it does have a little squeegees off the water when you open up the door. Foot flush porcelain toilet, and you do have a nice pocket door here, wood pocket door, to shut off for privacy from the living area into the bathroom. Nice vanity area, lots of counter space. Medicine cabinet. And going into the master bedroom, queen bed, ultra plush queen bed. Lift up, there's storage up underneath it, and that door, which will be installed if anybody decides to buy this. Nice closets on each side of the bed. I did check this camper for water damage, any wear and tear that may be an issue with the potential buyer. Did not find any issues whatsoever. Nice reader lights. Nice kind of an ultra leather headboard. See if I can show that out there. If you wanted a TV in here, that's where it'd go. Yeah, the mount sticker, that white mount sticker, that's where your mount would go. And I do want to point out, nice size pocket door from the bathroom into the master bedroom. A lot of times you'll just get like a little cheesy accordion door. Speaking of doors, this is a double entry. So you can actually go outside from the master bedroom. And you do have beautiful recessed puck lights. This camper's all LED all throughout. Ducted AC, 15,000 BTU ducted AC unit. And your furnace is a 35,000 BTU ducted furnace. And it is ducted all the way through on the sides here, not in the floor, so you don't have those metal grates collecting dirt and all sorts of debris. Show off that floor plan here. Do want to point out the arched ceiling from our headroom, and there's your 15,000 BTU AC unit. Does have the quick dump right there. It cools it off real quick. Once it's cooled off, shut that off. It's ducted all the way through. Do want to point out that is a motion detector light. Automatically comes on when you get near it. Okay, this is going to be your monitor panel here. Let's start from the top. This is going to be your battery. It's brand new, basically. Freshwater tank. Not sure what the freshwater is. I should have checked. Anyway, I believe black tank is going to be, oh, I don't even know. Anyway, black tank, toilet tank, gray tank is your sink and shower, and freshwater tank. That's easy to figure out. These are going to be your buttons for your gas electric water heater, which is 6 gallon. Direct spark ignition, whether you're boondocking or hooked up to shore power. You've got hot water within 15 minutes and water pump. That's easy to figure out. Your awning light, got a big LED strip light outside, and this is your ceiling light. Easy to figure out. Okay, speed up this video a little bit. Start from the back here, kind of show off that front side from the rear. You do have the beautiful aluminum steps, not the old steel ones that bind up and get all rusty. It's a lot cleaner look. It's going to be a high gloss. I think they might be calling it a gel coat finish, and it's aluminum frame sidewall construction. It's dirty. The owners had not had a chance to detail it before it came out, so but it should clean up like a new penny. The awning, I believe, might be a 19-foot power awning, fully adjustable, and there's your LED light strips. Outside speakers. Let's zoom in on that a little bit, get a little closer. Nice blue light accent at night on those speakers. You do have the 15-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You do have the little signature upgrade on the nitro caps. These tires are nitro filled. Factory came with the cheesy little plastic green caps. I take them off and put my little signature cap on there. Shows that it's nitro. There we go. Anyway, It's going to be your 35,000 BTU furnace exhaust right here, 6-gallon water heater, service panel, and you do have power outlets here. You do have a gas grill hookup right underneath there with that little tag swinging. Outside sprayer faucet hookup spigot right there. Show off this exterior storage. Full pass-through. You do have the magnets. Hold the doors up. Pretty neat concept. Should have done that a long time ago. Nice service lights, and they are motion detector lights. They automatically turn off. Save you on your battery. 110 outlet right there. You got outlets all over this camper, and that is full pass-through. You want to show off that aluminum frame construction that's integrated into your sidewalls and floor. Definitely a nice feature. It's what keeps the weight down. You have the heavy-duty 4-point manual stabilizer jacks, not the cheap little rinky-dink electric ones. These are really the ones you want. Just get a cordless drill and a chuck and put these down. No time at all. Nice plastic molded cap on the front here. I'm sorry, it's fiberglass. LED light accent. Nice Imagine badge there. Do have, I believe, the two 20-pound LP tanks. Not really sure. There may be the 30-pound LP tanks. Nice cover for the tanks. Power jack, hitch jack. I'm not sure if the hitching's going with it, but there's some pretty heavy-duty hitching that the owners purchased after the fact. You can ask the owners if you're interested in buying the camper, if that is included. Show the back side here. It is dirty. There we go. Kind of show you. There's pass through. You get a motion detector light here. Let's turn it off. Okay, and there's some of your hitching. But anyway, I'm not sure if that's included. But outside shower. So you do have a hookup for outside shower on the front side where that water spigot is, and here's a black, hot and cold outside shower hookup. It's going to be your fresh tank fill. Again, I'm not sure what size it is, and then you can switch it to the city. The blue switch right there. Hey, battery disconnect right there, saves you on your battery. Definitely a nice feature. All your hookups for your video, audio, video, and 110 outlets right here. Okay, and again, little magnets stick up here. See a little black streaks. It's a little dirty. It's a nice service light when you're hooking up your sewer hose right there. I do want to point out it's fully enclosed heated underbelly, so you can go into cold weather with this camper. The way it's equipped, all your dump valves are enclosed and protected, and I believe they might be calling this 0 degree rated. It is a 4 seasons installation package on this coach. And black tank sewer flush rinses out your toilet tank, so you don't have to drag a hose inside anymore. Okay, and all your window tint is going to be, I believe, 80% tint. Saves your fabrics from getting bleached out by the sun, UV rays. Show off that back side here. 30 amp power cord, marine style power cord. You can unplug it, stow the cord away, and it's a nice clean look when you're traveling. Nice little light here shows you that you do have shore power coming in. Nice ladder to get up on your full walk-on roof. And you are prepped up here for backup camera right there. Prep for backup camera, and you do have a spare tire right here with cover. Not sure if that was part of a package or an option. Well, other than the fact it's a little dirty, it's been sitting up underneath a tree, 2 trees, and looks like some little twigs and stuff are up there. But the camper's it's clean. Other than the fact it's dirty, I mean it's mint condition. Definitely a dealer would clean it up and put it on their put it in their showroom for their pre-owned inventory piece. I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate if you give a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Thank you.